Welcome to our everyday CRM system. My name is Sihle from Swiftstar Technology. I will be guiding you on how to use CRM system. Firstly, you need to open Google Chrome and type everyday.swiftstartechnology.co.za and you press enter. So this is our all-in-one platform to manage projects, client tasks, and company operations. In this video, I'll walk you through each feature and show you how it works and explain why you will use it on your daily work. So we go to get started. So if you are new, you first need to register. This creates your user account so you can securely access the CRM. You fill in your name, email, password, and any other required information, and then click sign up. So this is our company name. Sihle's Beauty Salon, and I need your name, your email at gmail.com, password, so it will take us through to your email. You sign up, you verify the email. So this is enter verification code 648689. So once registered, log in using your email and password. This takes you to your personal dashboard where all your work will be managed. So the dashboard is your starting point. Here you can see quick stats about your project's task, messages, and more. On the left hand menu, you find all the main sections of the CRM. Across the top, you will see notifications, search, and your profile menu. So the main features on projects. So the projects allow us to manage bigger jobs from start to finish. You can add a project name, description, deadlines, and assign team members. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures deadlines are met. So you add a project name, the start date on the 14th, and the deadline. So you can here you can add project members, add a client, Joseph, and here it's the email. And this is the company name. And then you save. And then you save. And we go on task. Here on task, tasks are the specific actions we need to complete within projects. You can assign tasks to a team member, set deadlines, and track progress by updating the status from to do to in progress and finally completed. Log in. Credentials. This is the start date and the due date. This is the status. This one is incomplete and to do, completed, doing, waiting, approval, and assigned to. Here you can write a description. And then you save. We go to clients, add the client. You add clients, fill in a name. So the client section is where we keep all our customer information. This helps us stay organized and ensures everyone has access to the correct details. You can add new clients, view their history, and update information at any time. So this is Mr. and this is the client name. .co.za. So this is the company details, company address, set 8. This is the office number here. And the company address, the postal code, city, Cape Town, and this postal code. And here it's the company logo, and then as you can see, you can add here client subcategory, and then you save. So this is how you add a client, and we go to invoices. You create an invoice, add items, amounts, client name, and due date. So basically, invoices are used to bill clients for the work we've completed. Here you can create a new invoice, list the services or products provided, set the payment terms, and send it directly to the client. This keeps our payments transparent and easy to track. So this is the invoice number, invoice 1, the invoice date, and the due date. Here you add a client, so it's Joseph. This is the amount. Here you select a product, or you can add a product. And then you can add your description here. And then you save. You go to estimates. So you fill in service details, price, and validate date. So the estimates let us give clients an upfront idea of cost before starting work. Once approved, an estimate can be converted into an invoice with just one click. So this is the client. You add a client. This is our valid till. And here the project. So here you select a product and the unit price. And then you save. You add an item. And then you save. Here you can select a product. This is the item name. And then you save. And go to payments. You record payment, select invoice, enter amount and payment method. The payment section is where we record any money we've received from clients. So this keeps our financial records accurate. You add a payment. This is the project name, invoice, here, amount. So this is where we record any money we've received from credit clients, and you save. So, and we go to contracts. You click from contracts, add contract, upload file or create from template. Contracts help us store signed agreements in one place. You can upload a scanned copy or create one directly in the system. So we create a client contract. This is the contract number. This is the subject. And here it's the project. The start date and the end date. The contract type here, and office phone number, postal code, country, and the alternate address, and you press save. We go on tickets. You create a ticket. You create a ticket. Tickets allow clients or staff to report problems or requests. This ensures no support request is lost and everything is tracked until resolved. You assigned group. You add. And you save. and the ticket subject. And here it is the description. Request a name. And then you save. We go to messages. You select a contact and send message. Messages allows us to chat with team members directly inside the CRM. This keeps conversations private and linked to our work. Okay, this is the new conversation. You choose a member and then you can write message here. You can choose a file and you save, and you can start a conversation here and write your message here. We go on time log. You start timer or add time entry. So the time logs helps us track how long we spend on specific tasks or projects. This is useful for billing by the hour or for reviewing productivity. You can log time here, the task. This is the end time, start time, end date, start date, working. And then you save. Here you can add a task and you save. This is the attendance. The attendance section is where you clock in and out for the day. It keeps a record of when you start and finish work. On the expenses, you add expense, enter detail, category, and amount. So expenses track any money the company spends. You can add receipts, choose a category, and keep track of cost. Here you can add item name, current, and this is the price, expense category. purchased from, and this is the price. The price. This is the expense category. Purchased from. Project. And then this is the bill. And you save. We go to leads. You add lead, add contact info, lead status. Leads are potential customers we are trying to win. You can update their progress from new to won when they become paying clients. You can add here this is the salutation, and this is the name.
Are you done?
Name Joseph. And the email. And then this is the deal name. You can the pipeline, deal stages, close date, deal category. You can even add the lead category and the deal agent, the products, and then you save. You go to reports and select type, generate. So the reports gives us insight of how the business is doing. We can see completed projects, income, expenses, and more. This is how. And go to settings. Show company info, roles and permissions, payment method. Settings is where we customize the CRM for our business. This includes updating our company details, deciding who can access what, and setting up payment methods. As you can see, this is the company name, Sihle Beauty Salon. This is the company phone number. And this is the company website. beautysalon.co.za, and then you save. You click profile picture and select log out. Always log out after using the CRM, especially on shared devices, to keep your account secure. That's the photo of our everyday CRM system. Now you know how to access, navigate, and use every feature to manage our work efficiently. Thank you.